Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how to make a gentle face wash at home? Many people struggle to find the perfect cleanser for their skin type. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own DIY face wash. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, effective recipe to cleanse your skin naturally. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a mild soap base, essential oils, and a carrier oil. Start by measuring 1 cup of the soap base. This will be the foundation of your face wash. Next, add 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Lavender or tea tree work wonders for the skin. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of your chosen carrier oil. Coconut or jojoba oil are great options. Mix everything thoroughly in a bowl until combined. Transfer the mixture into a clean glass bottle for storage. To use your DIY face wash, wet your face and apply a small amount. Gently massage it into your skin using circular motions. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Remember, this face wash is free from harmful chemicals and is ideal for sensitive skin. To summarize, you learned how to create a homemade face wash using 3 main ingredients: soap base, essential oils, and carrier oil. Now I encourage you to try making your own face wash at home. Share your results and let me know how it works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY tutorials like this.